Good day, class. Today's class, we really want to start a new topic, and I need you to follow the beginning of this topic to the end. We'll be starting a topic on ratio, rate, and proportion, which is a very common question in JAM, GCSE, IGCSE, NECO, and GCE. And in case you want to buy a property or a virgin land, you want to build your own personal apartment, a mini flat, a 2-bedroom flat, 3-bedroom flat, a duplex, feel free to contact me. I will connect you directly to the owner, to the seller. Maybe you don't want to build from scratch, you want to buy a ready-made property. I'll be dropping the video before you watch this video. It is from me. I'm connecting you to the right mandate. So let's get started with the problem on the board. We have a motorcycle moving at a uniform speed of 240 km per hour passes 2 poles in 8 minutes. What is the distance between the poles? So we have our velocity. Our velocity is distance over time. We want to actually calculate the distance when the velocity is 240. So velocity 240, distance is d. Our time we're giving in 8 minutes. For you to convert minutes to hour, 60 seconds equal 1 minute. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So we are dividing 8 minutes by 60. So that will give you 8 over 60 as in hours. So the rest of the work is distance over 8 over 60. I'm going to cross multiply. Our distance will be 3 over 1 and cross multiplying. 240 times 8 over 60. So that will give you 0 cancel 0. 6 here 1. 6 in 24. That's 4. 4 times 8. That's 32 kilometers.